Okay, so here next one we're going to make a necklace, a bracelet. Bracelet design here. This. I get a design chain that is good for maker. This one need a little thinner. A basic cable chain. I'm use this one, the basic cable chain, and this one, the chain here. Yeah. Okay, here. Yes, Thousand Crab, you made it so nice. Okay. Here. And we are going to open this one and hang it the chain on this. Yeah. Okay. It's here. Then this side we can hang it with the. We can make this one as a bracelet. And this side we hang it with the small jumping. With a small jumping hanger here. We put with a clear color of the Cute Bracelet. Okay, a pro. Hello, Jessica. Happy to see you. Open it again. It's going to be a cute bracelet. Opposite. The size is very good for make a piece of the a bracelet. Okay, here, and again let's take down one piece. This side with the chain hang by jumping. This one I'm not add any beads, just use the charms only. Smudge with this one. Cut. And hang this one, the link open again. It's animal chain. Here. The length 12. If you want to make the or cut all the chain between them seam, I'm here cut the chain random sides. Okay, it's cute piece. Okay, we can use this to make anything we want. Yeah. Then attach with a chain and close it. The back no oil, no animal, and only one side with the animal here. It's a very cute bracelet here. Okay, the length is enough. Then we attach with the extend chain and the clasp. Total with 6 color of this chain. We have in green, black, turquoise, blue, and white. Okay, so we finished. Here is the bracelet that we finished here. This one. You can make